Hey, this is Roy. Becky's up in there somewhere. Steve from Desert Adventures in Arizona. Or Scott Jacobs and Appreciation. And me. We're going on a hike, look at pictoglyphs or something. The view. On the hike. That was Scott you just heard walk by. We're climbing a hill. Here's the trail. Oh, yeah, hey, there's the glider port. Are you doorman?
I'm doorman.
Doorman?
ID, please.
My hands are full. This is a non-ID state. We have arrived. Quite a big pile of rocks. Whoa.
So let me tell you a little story.
Oh, Steve, you want to tell a story? There.
So up here are Hohokam petroglyphs. And back in those days, 4,000 to 8,000 years ago, the Indians wanted the high ground. If you look out, you can see this whole valley over here.
Wow.
And so the young braves would be sent to these hilltops to keep watch over whoever their enemy was that they wanted to see coming. And so young braves, being young men with nothing to do, what did they do? In their day, they made some graffiti. They marked on these rocks and they actually chipped different pictures in them and things like that to tell stories. So if you look around on here, you'll see a number of petroglyphs, they're called. And again, they're 4,000, 8,000 years old.
Wow.
See if you can find them.
One way down there.
Probably on top of that one.
Yep.
So yeah, this
I
whole
think I see one straight ahead.
hillside here is covered.
Right down there, we see one.
I'm afraid to move now. I don't want to walk on one.
They are protected.
There's one right there. And
Oh,
there's
yeah.
one down further.
See one down there, yeah.
A little square.
Trying to get the,
See that one right in front of you down here, that shadow?
Yeah.
you guys get the handout.
There's like a man fell in the hole.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah. There's another one right there. Right. There's some circles up here too. The only thing that we can figure is maybe they were doing solar system drawings. And Scott, there's one just to your right, by your right foot.
And right in front of him there?
Yeah. No, to his right, off his right.
Oh, back behind him a little bit?
Right there.
Oh, here.
Yeah, right there.
Looks like there might have been
Wow, there's one right there too on his right. Straight out from you.
Yeah, on that big rock.
Right there.
Uh-huh.
So if you look at that one, Scott, you're pointing to,
This here.
what do you see? What do you think that is?
It reminds me of Aztec stuff.
Yeah. We were wondering if that was maybe a pregnant woman. See the
Yeah,
belly,
right.
the round belly?
Uh-huh. Interesting.
Yeah. Does have a round belly.
Yeah. I think there's another male standing next to her.
Maybe the son. Wife and son.
Could be.
There's another one of those down there too.
They're all over this hillside.
Another pregnant one.
Probably.
If that's what that means. Yeah. All right. Yes, we hiked to the top of Red Hill from the petroglyphs, which are down there on the other side. That's my water bottle. Yeah, bouncing off my walking stick. Okay, now the wind has kind of quit. There's Ragged Top. Here comes Scott. There's Scott. And again, Becky and Steve, and the wind picks up. Redo. The petroglyphs are not over there, like I said they were a minute ago. It's that hill over there.
Wrong way, Roy. You're wrong way.
What?
You're always the wrong way. Oh, this is the trailhead.
Yeah, we're fine.
We'll be okay.
Steve's got to go back and get his walking stick. He left it over there at the petroglyphs. So we're enjoying the view and going to meet him down at the vehicle. We're going down a trail. A very steep trail, so I'm not holding this camera. Phone. I might die. So, it's pretty steep. Pretty gravelly, or gravelly. Gravelly.
Come down that side.
Alrighty. Here I come. I don't see Steve yet over on that side. Steve's on Operation Rescue Hiking Stick. And we're on Operation Descend the Hill. I think we're about halfway down. We were up there. These are all loose rocks. I gotta do something with this bottle. What? I don't know yet. Because I left my carabiner back at Honey. Alright. It's in my back pocket. Let's see what we can do here. See, I'm trying to stay on the bigger rocks. Okay, where'd you? I didn't see no fork in the road. I thought there was a fork up here. Wee. Ow! That one poked me. Look at these things. Huh, what'd you guys find? Oh man, that is a, ooh, yeah. A lot of pokies.
Yeah. Like I said, you're either bouncing off something that stabbed you or hitting big rocks.
And skiing down the gravel while you're doing it.
Every thorn there is to hit, I would be hitting. Yeah, you're going to go one of those sideways.
I find a rock, take a breather.
What looks like a rock ain't a rock.
Whoa, yeah, they move, don't they?
Oh, yeah. Didn't listen.
I think we're gonna have to add rock climbing gear to the hiking gear. Wow, there's vehicles out there. Whoa, whoa.
Every time I hear me, I'm like, oh God, brace. He's coming down for me.
That could be.
No, yeah, they like to think.
Yeah. If you hear we,
This is the easy one?
no, this one was a little steeper. Oh, I thought Scott's gonna slide down.
Well, he hasn't made it to the Jeep yet.
Steve's gonna beat us back. This is the trail? Wow. Easy there. Okay. Wow, this is the steepest part. Look at Scott. He's scooting down. That's how steep it is. Becky didn't scoot down. She went down it like a trooper. Scott scooted. I may end up scooting.
Low so I don't fall.
I'm gonna wait till he gets out of the way so I fall. I don't take both of them out. Like bowling. Oh, Scott's standing back up. You must be on level ground.
No.
That was a fun ride.
Are you on level ground? It looks like it from here.
Not really level, but probably can
It's
walk.
got more rock face.
Steve's almost there. He is. He's almost to the vehicles. All right, my turn. I'm gonna turn this off so I don't video my demise.
Down. Roy's rock surfing. There is no easy way. Pull your britches up. Ain't nobody want to see all that.
Get low. Get low, get low, get low.
Just sit down and slide down like Scott did. I'm laughing too hard. The boat is shaking.
Oh, oh. Woo.
This is why Roy's not a surfer.
Come on, you almost got it, Roy. Whoa.
He's going to show us his backside before.
One more. I think that's where I stood up right there, Roy.
Yeah. And then you can kind of go to the side and come down.
Oh my gosh, it's still
Oh my God.
Whoa. This is a little easier right here. Not for this part. I'm still alive. I'm out of water though, so I'm gonna die. All right, downward. We made it. Sorry about the wind noise. There's Scott. Stuff in the Samurai. There's any wind noise? Don't mean to. I'll get in between the vehicles. Steve's back there playing with the drone in there somewhere. There it goes. Yeah, he beat us down. I survived. I got water. Becky's finishing her water. Scott's prepping. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. He's prepping the Samurai. And Steve's playing with the drone. We survived.
Yep, that was fun.
That's the first time.
A lot of fun.
I had to sit down and slide down the hill.
Yeah, Scott slides down. I'm just surfing slowly
Yeah.
down with my feet. Roy easy on ye and we and all that going down. So I got some.
All right. We got to finish this. I don't know what we're doing next.